Cargo is an out-of-the-world concept. Pun totally intended. The film is set in 2027 after a treaty is signed by humans and demons, Homo Rakshas, the descendants of mythical demons. A demon astronaut, Prahasta, works for the post-death transition services on a spaceship named Pushpak 634A, one of the 6 spaceships where dead people are sent to be recycled for rebirth on Earth. Prahasta, played by Vikram Massey, has been on the spaceship doing the same routine of healing and extracting people for several decades. He himself seems to have become lifeless, going about doing it every day. He sent an assistant astronaut Yuvishka, played by Shweta Tripathi, to help him with the workload. She also has a special healing power. Each human now has a special power. One can lift and throw things, one can dry wet objects, one can't sleep, one can become 86.75% invisible. We get glimpses of this through a TV show where it seems like people are unsure about how they're supposed to use their powers. This mix of sci-fi with Hindu mythology makes the movie totally original and desi. There are several references that are understandable based on your knowledge of the Hindu mythology. I personally am not completely acquainted with it, but some were easy to understand. Like Prahasta was the brother of Ravana, an instructor has a third eye, a traffic policeman has 4 hands like a Devi, Konkana Sen's cameo is named Mandakini. It also follows the line of Hinduism that humans are reborn in a different body after death. Cargo is a little slower than a typical movie. There are long pauses that allow the viewer to ponder and breathe in the tone of the movie. For a long time you wonder where the story is heading, but the movie is so refreshingly different from the special powers to an international loneliness detective that the constant surprise on screen is enough to keep you going. What the movie does is take up a topic contemplating life and death and loneliness, mixes it up with technology so that the transition between life and death is almost mechanical and immediate, but through it all doesn't miss the human touch. It's quiet, contemplative, whether it's in each of the cargoes passing to their next life or the relationships between Prahasta and his instructor back on Earth, Nitigya Sir and Yuvishka. It also has a comical touch as the movie briefly explores stories of all the different people that come as cargo. The credit of this totally goes to the director and writer Aarti Kadav. The actors Vikram Massey, Shweta Tripathi, Nandu Madhav, Biswapati Sarkar hold the movie together. The finer details like the design of the spaceship that looks like a living body flowing through a sea of space and Yuvishka's yellow attire throughout the film in contrast to the blue palette across the screen gives it more life. The editing, like the quick transition of the cargoes, makes it engaging, helps storytelling and the budget. When you watch the film, you get the feeling that it's a film festival kind of film, but its premiere on a platform like Netflix is exciting. It's a point of view worth watching, and these kind of movies are so refreshing, just the fact that they exist makes me happy.